Hello everyone, Pamela here. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're diving deep into Searchbug Batch Append tool. What is Batch Append? Batch Append is the process of appending more information to your existing data in batches, and essentially the new data is affixed to your database all at once. So this gives marketers more comprehensive picture of their customers or recipients. It is actually a powerful tool that can give them marketing advantage. Searchbug has been a game changer to many of our clients in their marketing campaigns. So let's get started, shall we? Okay, so first things first, I need you to head over to searchbug.com and log into your account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can simply click sign up and then you can associate your Google, your Facebook, or your LinkedIn account. Alright, so we're here on the first step. So you have to click services and then select append contact list. And the first step will be to upload your file. You can upload either a text file, CSV, or an Excel file. Select the file and then click continue. Now we're on the second, which will be to identify the column. So if you have like a ton of columns, you can manually identify each column. But if your list has a header row, just tick the box over here, then click continue to next step. So the third step will now let us select the service that we want. So we'll be going for a standard append, and then we need to find like the name and address from the phone number. So we have here a quick review of how many records we have on file, cost of this file, the cost per hit, and the typical match rate. And also we have here the estimated processing time for the batch, which is 1 minute. Then we have to click process my data once. We already reviewed all of the information, and we'll be routed to the fourth step, which will confirm that our file is already up and running. You'll get an email notification once your batch is already completed, and you can track the progress of your batch in the batch dashboard. So here is where you can download the file. It's now ready for download. So once you click download results, you'll be able to get the appended information. And there you have it, everyone. You've now mastered Searchbug's Batch Append tool, and you're now ready to elevate your marketing game and connect with your audience more actively. Always remember that accurate data is the foundation of successful campaigns. So thank you again, everyone, for watching, and best of luck with your marketing endeavors. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions, suggestions, or any comment below. And stay tuned for more tutorials to make the most out of the tools available at your fingertips. Thank you again, everyone, and have an awesome day.